Welcome to Boston Manchester Regional Airport in Manchester, New Hampshire. This is a regional airport serving Manchester, Concord, and North area in Massachusetts, and Boston too. This is a rideshare pickup and drop-off passenger ramp. You have United here, Avelo, Breeze, Sun Country, American Airlines, JetBlue, and Southwest. And you have Spirit also too here, operate flight. It's a passenger drop-off ramp. And you have the airport parking lot for charter too here in this area. Have a taxi service right there in front of the main terminal, the main entrance. This is the main entrance. And you have a more ride application pickup right here. Continue with Zone 2. This is ticketing area and airline check-in counters. When you take the first doors with the terminal, you got United Airlines all service. The first airline. After United, you have Breeze Airline, Sun Country Airlines, Sun Country, and you have a check-in counter for American Airlines, all service too. Self-check-in, priority, everything. After American Airlines, you have a JetBlue check-in counter. JetBlue check-in counter. All service too. They have a self-check-in machine. Southwest Airlines with all service too, and they have a self-check-in machine and all service. Right here, and after all airline check-in counter, you have the access to the all gate, security checkpoint, arrivals exit too. You have an arrival exit too right here. In this point, you have access to the old gate on the second floor. In the second floor, you have a checkpoint, security checkpoint. You have a restaurant, shop too. You have an auction, and arriving exit. You have arriving exit in that side. You are arriving side. You need going down to pick up your luggage, and ground transportations is in the first floor. Baggage claim. You have a belts 1 to 5. 1 and 2 is on your left, and 3, 4, and 5 is on your right. Ground transportation, parking garage, and rent a car service too. You have an information counter right here, and baggage claim. After you pick up your luggage, you can go out. Exit all. You have a sign here show you the way to the ground transportation, rideshare pickup, rent a car. On your right, you have a rideshare pickup zones or application. You continue, you have a taxi service and bus service in the second line. Taxi service here. You have a bus stop to Green Hood bus there. You have a huge parking lot here. Limo service, charters for parking, and vans is right here. You continue to the rental car center. Huge parking lot. Rent a car center. And you have here service for Budget, Avis, Alamo, National, Enterprise, and Hearst, Manchester.